to my NewTuber Advice series, and in this episode I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different, which I haven't really spoke about before, and that is about standing out. So before I do get underway, this is a bit of a different topic that I've not really touched on how this works, but hopefully I'm going to explain as much as I can. So the way how this one works is by standing out from other people, by the way. So if you don't know, I've done 8,000 videos on my channel now, and I'm not even joking, by the way. It is 8,000 videos, and I've done a lot of them, and a lot of them have been on games, and yeah, but to stand out from somebody else's videos, they might have not done the same thing. They might have not got 8,000 videos. They might have got less videos than that. But it's in a way that I am standing out from those people because they might have done different games compared to what I've done, if you get what I mean. To be fair, on my channel, I've done more games than what other things I've done. And to be fair, they haven't been great games in the world, but then they've been good. So I'm going to give you an example of a game. Let's say Overwatch. Now, I haven't played the second Overwatch game, and I haven't done videos on it, but I have played the first Overwatch game quite a lot, but I haven't done many videos on it. I have only done a couple of videos, and that is it. I haven't live streamed it. So, and by the way, you might have done Overwatch, and you might have done streams on it, or you might have done loads of videos on it. So basically that makes you stand out from me, because I haven't done as many videos or live streams on that game. But if we go to Minecraft, I've done so many videos on there, so many streams on there, and I've probably standed out by you because you haven't played Minecraft. Or another one, Roblox. I've done loads of Roblox videos, loads of streams on it. I've collaborated with a good mate of mine. And if you've not done Roblox, then that makes me stand out because I've done it and you haven't done it. So I hope that makes sense to you all. Now, I'm not saying this is like my own opinion on this, but it basically means what you want to do on your channel, by the way, that makes you stand out from me. So it all depends what you want to do, and thinking of something that's very interesting that I have not done on my channel before, by the way, and something that I probably would never do, by the way. So there is that. But there is the other side of things. There is the whole like community thing as well. So if you do want to talk to me about it, then you can, by the way, because I am free here. So it all depends what you want to do. And I mean, I'm not really bothered of how many likes I get, how many comments I get now, because of my channel's now grown with the certain amount of subscribers that I've now got. It will just grow in time. But by the way, your channel might grow faster than what mine is, because that will make you stand out than over me. And I've got a decent amount of subscribers now, and I want to get more. I want to get to 2,000, because that is my aim. My aim is to get to 2,000, and that is my next aim. And it's taken me like, I don't know, like 4 years now to get there, and I'm still not there yet. So I'm still getting there, and it's taking time, and it is gonna take time. And I want to do more gaming videos, because at the moment I'm not doing any gaming videos currently yet, but I want to do more stuff. I want to do more videos and streams on Minecraft. I want to do more stuff on Roblox. I want to do some more stuff on Overwatch. Like, there's just so many games that I want to do that haven't got the time for me right now. And that's what I want to do. So telling you to stand out from me is very important from what you're doing and from what I'm doing. And that is what it is. So it's not my personal opinion about this. It's just something that I just wanted to talk about and get over. And I hope you guys understand what I've said. Even though that I've probably not spoke much about it, but there you go. And that is what I wanted to speak about in this video. And hopefully you've understood all of it. So yeah, that has been my video, guys. Hopefully this one has kind of helped in a way. And let me know if you want to chat or anything like that. Then put comments down below if you've got anything to say, because I am very happy to help everybody in the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.